it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel, and today another travel adventure, another new destination kasi hindi ko pa napupunta itong bansang to. So we'll be going to a city in Taiwan na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. Nakapunta na pala ako sa bansang to, pero sa city na to hindi pa. So bagong destination din to ng Cebu Pacific. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's check it out. Let's go. So I love traveling with Travel Warehouse Inc. You're always ready. They prepare everything for you, from your Wi-Fi, your pocket Wi-Fi, to your charger sockets, everything. Sure ako yun yung laman nun. Even bag tags nga meron. Harap mo naman, kuya.
Po, right?
Yes! Yan.
Travel Warehouse po.
Yay! So since this is an inaugural flight, may pa-program si Mayor. We just landed Kaohsiung and hindi ko nakita kanina, hindi ko napakita sa inyo, nag-water blessing kanina ng plane. Ilang hours yun? Tulog kasi siya. We're here!
We're here! Just frame.
Yan, para-paraan po siya. Galing!
Vlogger.
Thank you everyone. Come to Kaohsiung. Okay, thank you. First of all, I say hello. Agree. Bubble milk tea for welcome drink.
Yay! Siyempre, since we're in the land of milk tea, we're greeted with the best milk tea raw, according to our guide. It's this brand. Ayun ko kung how do you say this brand? Since 1994. You can read this?
Yeah, 50. 不是这个50
Oh,
50 something. Mountain.
Ushulan. Parang 50 mountain daw.
50
So, bus na kami.
Yun!
Yan.
Dito na.
Sabi, Volvo yung bus. O seat cover lang yun. Formosa Boulevard Station, and according to Pepper, it's one of the most beautiful train stations in the world. So let's check it out later. Okay, so we're here at the Hot Pot restaurant. I don't know the name, tanong natin later. And so since maulan nga, we're redirecting to this Hot Pot restaurant. Here. Now that was a warm welcome dito sa Kaohsiung. Literally, ayan, perfect sa weather na to. So, I think pupunta na tayo sa hotel natin ngayon. So, top 3 pala to in the world na most beautiful train station. And then number 1, I guess, in Asia and in Taiwan. So this is a room here at Aloft, Tainan. So it's about a few kilometers away from Kaohsiung. So parang from Manila to Las Piñas, ganun yung layo. With traffic na yun, Maganda yung banyo, So like, ano pa yung banyo? Parang Japan. Tronic. That's it for our day 1. Good night. Good morning, Georgers! It is day 2 here in Kaohsiung, and today we're gonna explore more of the city here in Tainan pala. Nasa Tainan pala tayo ngayon, which is very close to Kaohsiung, or baka part to ng Kaohsiung. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, so room tour tayo real quick ng daytime. Maganda yung room eh, kaya lang talagang foggy yung view eh. Sayang. Yeah, so since dalawa yung bed na queen size, yung isa lalagyan natin ng maleta para walang humigang multo. Hindi naka-breakfast din tayo. Sarap ng bacon eh. Hi ate. Hello. Hello ka naman. Kumusta?
Hi po.
Paano ang how are you sa Chinese? Sa Taiwan?
Ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao, Chinese din. Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Bait ni ate. Sarap talaga pag may kapwa Pinoy tayo, kababayan. Pagbabalot pa niya tayo ng food.
Pilipino na gan.
Talaga?
Inaantay ko rin sila ng pagkain.
Salamat ate ah. So pag nandito kayo, book nyo yung corner room. Maganda yung view. So, we're gonna check out the Sky Bar. Nasa taas siya pero pagpasok mo, feeling mo nasa impyerno ka ka. Dito tayo sa mga temple. What's the name of the temple again?
What?
What's the name of this temple?
Matsu.
Matsu.
Yes.
Matsu temple.
A female deity.
A female deity daw. So, a female god. In charge of the weather and seasons. So from the Anping Old Fort or the Zealandia Fort, from the Zealandia Fort, we go inside the Zealandia Museum.
But Archie is like same. No, not the same of Zero.
So yung deer industry talaga yung bumuhay sa Taiwan for a time.
Have been different.
Yung pag-export nila nung deer skin
It's a residential
sa
area.
Japan.
The people.
Okay. So parang monitoring deck, para siyang viewing deck ng buong fort. Mataas ha. Okay na pala ako. So next is the literature hall. Since sarado pa yung department store na makaluma, old school department store. Dito muna tayo. So you can write the book name here, and then the description where what tama. Basta papasok mo dito later. And send it on the
And scan it. Okay, wait. Let me. Go ahead.
So in case you wanna publish a book, this would be a good inspiration, no? To where to start. So I wanna ask Arnel, since nakapag-publish siya ng book, what do you think would be my best pen name?
Oh my god, that's so hard.
Hoy! Ano yun ba?
Your pen name?
Is
Pen?
So I think the local tourism board, they gave us this present. Hey. Thank you guys. Ano nasa loob? It's lunchtime. My seatmate for lunch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, parang magkamukha tayo. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th dish. 11 daw yung dadating eh. For dessert we have winter melon tea jelly. So winter melon in Tagalog is kundol. So it's kundol jelly. So for our next stop, we're here in Tendrum Creative Park, or simply called Tendro. Tendro. Dati raw tong sugarcane factory. And transform nila into a recreational park, a cultural park na rin. So sa loob ng Tendrum Park, if you notice, pag maglalakad ka sa para mga railing train tracks. Yan. Kasi nga dati siyang sugar refining factory. So, I guess ito yung way nila para i-ship yung mga asukal, yung mga sako-sako ng asukal. Kasi they built around it eh. Parang niretain nila yung sugar factory, no? Ganda. Tapos nilagyan lang nila ng mga ganyan, no? Very
Here.
And
to try to find the treasures.
Huh? Treasure?
Just kidding.
So we're off to see the percussion show.
There's no picture, no video.
Bawal mag-video? Oh.
I'm here, the answer.
What can you say about this factory? That was a good show. Ano nagustuhan mong part doon?
Yung pag-beat ng drum.
Lahat naman. Ganda ano, yung appearance of a Thunderbolt tsaka yung Battle of Tengu. Those two. Ikaw?
Si Amy ng Shider.
So we're gonna do drum lessons today. Ayan, so after our percussion lessons, nasakay na tayo ng train to go around Tendrum. So train, very luma, no? Alright, so diretso pala sa store yung train. Hi, Steph. Steph. G gave us a drum biscuit, a drum-shaped biscuit. Parang ororo yung texture, pero yung flavor is chocolate. That's right. So next stop is Chimay Museum. To maganda to, para siyang puting palasyo sa labas. Almost may uncanny resemblance to the White House. Chimay, yan yung map. Yung facade ng Chimay Museum, yung pinaka fountain niya sa harap, it looks kind of like the Palace of Versailles. The bridge kind of looks like the Charles Bridge in Czech Republic. And then, yung pinaka-backdrop mo, parang White House. Yung gitna parang Charles Bridge. Ang galing. It's like 3 countries in one. United States, yung White House, Charles Bridge, and then France, Versailles, yung harap. So, kung di siya White House, pwede rin siyang Parliament House. For our early dinner, we're here at Original Tripe. So, tripe meaning tuwalya. tuwalya, meaning di ako masyadong kumakain nun. Pero lalaban natin. Bilang adventurous palate tayo. Feeling ko lang may pa-cultural. Hindi pala tribe pala. Tribo. Yeah, so I guess it's also a tribute to the Aboriginals. Sila yung isa mga nauna nag-settle dito sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan. From here, we go to the hotel and then daan tayo ng night market.
We're here at Urban Tribe.
Yeah.
Urban Tribe.
Tuwalya. May goto. Ready?
May museum.
We just got here at full-on Postel. Thank you. Yeah, so it's our last stop. Ay, bago night market. Good morning, Kaohsiung. It is day 3 and yan, wala pala akong view. It is day 3 and today marami na naman tayong bibisitahing spots dito sa Kaohsiung. And since first time nga natin sa side na to ng Taiwan, syempre excited tayo, di ba? Ang daming masarap dun sa buffet pero syempre nagpigil ako kasi alam mo na, lapit na yung big day. So, yan tayo. View natin. So here at Full-on Postel, they have a floor dedicated to IKEA.
This is big, and the style is Topla. Topla means museum, art museum.
Ang ganda, no? Parang ang simple. Scandinavian, syempre.
So our first stop today is called Longevity Mountain. Sakit tayo dun sa hagdan na yan. So from the art district which I showed you via my phone, ayun, nakalimutan ko tong GoPro ko. Ayun, nandito tayo sa Vigor Kobo. Ayan. We'll make some pineapple cake. DIY pineapple cake. Hello. Hi. Hi, Mabel. Hello. Hi, Nel. So we got mango pudding, the milk sun cake, and strawberry nougat. So dumating na yung binake natin na pineapple cake kanina. Yeah. So it's fresh. Mainit pa yung box. Ramdam mo. Ganda activity to If you wanna go with your friends or your family, just go here and bake your own pineapple cake. And you'll get it in just less than 20 minutes, roughly. So, binabox na yun na pamili natin. Yan. May free na binigyan akong isang free na pineapple cake kasi umabot ako ng 3,000 na NPD, TWD, Taiwan dollar. Not bad para sa ganito karami, tsaka quality yung snack. Our next stop would be this one, Fulton Hotel here in Kaohsiung. For lunch with the tourism board. Bibigyan kami ng cash para sa next lock namin, which is yung ice cream. What's the next location?
Ice cream festival.
Ice cream festival. Yung money. Meron tayo 100 PWD. Thanks, Kaohsiung. So we're here at the ice cream festival, and they're giving us, the tourism board's giving us a warm welcome here. Yeah. Yan. So, kung ano yung sinabi niya, yun na yung audio ko. So, from all sorts of ice cream, different byproducts of ice cream sandwich, there's this popsicle ice cream na parang minold nila into animals, soft serves, lahat. They have it here. Even yogurt ice cream, they have it here. Milk ice cream, lahat. Name it, they have it here in Kaohsiung's Ice Cream Festival. So, punta kayo dito. Kung mahilig kayo sa ice cream, I think perfect destination to para sa inyo. Just remember to go here via Cebu Pacific Air. They fly here 3 times a week. So, it's convenient for all of us. They even have ice cream in cube form. So, pupulutin mo na lang dun siya. Ayan, no? You just pick it up, put it in a container, and you can pick up to several flavors. So there's chocolate, vanilla, berry, and so on. Kuya gave us free naawa sa amin. Kanina pa kami dito kasi. Mukha na kaming kawawa dito.
Parang kaming pulubi dito, binigyan tuloy kami ng free.
Yeah, yung barya. Yeah.
Dito dapat dito nakatambak.
Yeah, yung barya.
Dadalhin natin yung base.
Gandang babae, kinakamay yung ice cream.
Kala ko kasi papel.
Totoo kay Arya.
Sorry na.
So we just got to our hotel here at Marriott.
Okay, we'll wait for that.
Marriott Bonvoy. Here in Kaohsiung. And first thing we'll do is we'll do the tour of the entire hotel and then we check in. So let's go. These are their function rooms. Sobrang taas ng ceiling. Pang concert hall yung taas. Pakalaking LED. Ilan? 1,000 inch?
1,538 inches of LED.
Dang. Parang perfect venue for a wedding. Quick room tour. So we got a standard room. Yeah. Actually, Marriott provided us a standard room. I stand erected. Ay, wait. So pagpasok, andyan yung luggage natin. Ang ganda ng banyo, grabe, ang lawak. Oh. Pwedeng mag-show.
Oh no!
Ay, hi. Ayan. Shower. Very Japanese style ng mga Marriott, no? So, meron na rin free water o complimentary. Look at the bed. Diba? And of course, meron tayong pa-welcome popcorn and a gift from our Marriott Bonvoy. Marriott Kaohsiung. Open it later. Pag mga fam trips, I always look forward to yung mga gifts ng hotel. I really treasure them. Like, I put them in one place pa sa bahay. Iniipon ko sila. Lalo if it's useful. Kahit na notebook pa yan, itago ko talaga siya. And ito yung view natin. Ganda. Ang ganda ng Kaohsiung. Given a chance, babalik ba ako ng Kaohsiung? Yes. Especially with the right company. And thank you sa TWI for providing us not just the best company but also for guiding us every step of the way and for taking good care of us. Syempre Cebu Pacific for flying us here and for finally reopening their Kaohsiung flight, no? So nag-inaugural flight pero actually natigil lang dahil sa pandemic. Buti binalik nila kasi sobrang ganda dito sa Kaohsiung. Kung ako sa inyo, Georgios and Jerbears, check this place out. Kung naka-Taiwan na kayo, para hindi puro Taipei, go to the southern part naman dito sa Kaohsiung. Sobrang wala ring mintis ang pagkain. Lahat ng kakainan mo masarap. Sure yan. Kaya let's go na here. It is day 4, officially our last day here in Kaohsiung. Last night we had fun sa inorganize ng Marriott for us. Nagpa-dinner sila, may revolving na Lazy Susan. Grabe, tapos nagkantahan kami. Anyway, so today we're going to one of the theme parks here in Kaohsiung. So samahan niyo ako. Malat kasi kumanta ng ng Mr. Brightside kagabi.
Yes.
So day 4, we're starting our day with the Buddha Museum. We're at the Guangshan Buddha Museum. So para mga 300 meters away from the actual size ng Buddha. Yung malaki. Puntahan natin. We're here. That's the Buddha. Meow, 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 meow.
Gusto rin ni
Oh, yeah. Oh. Pinawisan ako. That was the first time na ginawa ko ganung kahabang time-lapse na naglalakad. Dito tayo sa kabilang dulo na ngayon. Sinamahan tayo ni Vincent. Akit daw kami sa taas. How high is it?
Not far.
Not far? Okay. Nakakabahan ako sa mga not far. 500 Buddhas. 500 monks. Sabi ni Vincent, I'm the only one out of 14. 14 kami. Ako lang yung ginanahan actually na pumunta at umakyat dito. Ayan natin. Like yung time-lapse ko, dito ko sinumula. So dalawang klase yung mga pagoda dito. Yung Hindu na pagoda or Indian style na pagoda, and then Chinese style. So this is Indian and this is Indian and yung kanina Chinese. So for you to differentiate an Indian to a Chinese pagoda is that yung levels niya. Kita mo may flooring system yung yung Chinese pagoda. As compared to yung Indian pagoda, wala siyang window, walang anything. Pero ang dami mga Buddha sa taas. Oh wow! Alam mo, one thing I noticed, Georgios and Jerbears, nung papalapit ako dun sa Buddha, parang mas hindi ko siya nakikita kasi natatakpan siya ng structure. Pero nung nandun ako sa malayo, mas kita ko yung Buddha. I think we can apply that also sa buhay natin, no? Some situations require us to step back and para makita natin yung bigger picture. Mas ma-appreciate din natin. So kaya walo yung pagoda kasi yung Chinese daw, they believe, well, this is common knowledge naman na Chinese believe that number 8 is lucky kasi para siyang infinity symbol din. Tsaka katunog niya yung prosperity, which is pa, right? Pa. Prosperity. Fa.
Yeah.
Pa. So, ang number 8 naman ay pa. Prosperity is pa. Kaya, walo yung pagoda dito. Kaya pabalik na tayo, pagoda na din ako. Alright, so after the Buddha Museum, now we're in Ida Royale. We're here. Hi! they say this used to be the biggest Ferris wheel in Asia, but I think nasa second na siya ngayon, may tumalo na raw dyan. Yeah, arguably, the trivia lang yun ng taga Marriott eh. Theme park daw muna tayo. Ganda ng theater, pang Broadway level. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng show. Ano man sabi mo?
Hi, Sobra. Tulog ako. Good morning.
Wow, pwede tayo punta sa stage!
To our Taki!
Yay!
Hello! And just only for your VIP guests. So please stand up. You can take a photo.
And this is it, Georges and Jerry Bears. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Kaohsiung as much as I did. Alam mo, natuwa ako kasi dito ako sa trip na to na-realize ko na since maulan, yung parang everything was slowed down. You tend to enjoy and appreciate the little things more. And with those moments, you find those special moments that it's worth treasuring. Alam mo yan? Yeah. And sana nag-enjoy kayo, Georges and Jerry Bears. I'll see you on my next vlog. Maraming salamat, Turista, my Travel Warehouse Inc. family, and my Cebu Pacific Air family for making this trip happen. See you soon. Bye.